Hello and good day. The all-new Ultimate Dog Collars. There are so many. I'm going to list all of the links below the video. For 2018, these are brand new Vibrate dog collars, Static Shock dog collars. We have collars that will do both Static Shock and Vibrate. They are brand new technology 2018. Click the links below the video now to find the best collar for your pet dog. And we have collars that are designed specifically for dogs that are 4 pounds to 8 pounds. And they are rechargeable, they are lightweight, they are ultimate in technology for 2018. Click the link below the video now. There'll probably be about 8 or 10 links to the different colors, different sizes, and I thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Hello and good day. We have so many brand new no bark dog collars on Amazon.com. I am going to list all of the links below this video. So we have Static Shock no bark dog collars, we have Vibrate no bark dog collars, we have dog collars for small dogs, we have no bark dog collars for large and medium-sized dogs, we have rechargeable no bark dog collars, and we have dog collars for small dogs, 4 pounds to 8 pounds, and they're just the best brand new collars for 2018 on the market today. So please click the links below the video and read about the collars, which one would be best for your pet dog. And if you have any questions, you can email me, the seller, at any time. Okay, so thank you very much. I'm here to help, and have a wonderful day.
Audio Jungle.